Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make multiple lines in Google Sheets graph. Let's begin. Example, see this month sales profit. Select full data, go to Insert tab, Chart, and see the chart type. Select line chart. Okay. Then resize graph. Axis, remove add labels. Sales profit add series. Add series. Switch row or column. Okay. Customize. Chart style. Axis. Title. Background change. Background color. Font style. Chart border color. Or change line color. Double click. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.